Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog on your Shopify down theme. And also in this video, I will show you how to add them to the navigation so your customer can find it. So first you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your contents here. After that, as you can see, there is a blog post here. You can click it. After that, you can go to this one, create blog post. And in this page, as you can see, this is the title here. You can put the title and then the content. I'm recommend to you to create a content first on Microsoft Word on or Google Docs. After that, you can paste it on here. Also, you can use AI here. You can click it and it will be generate you content for you. So let's say best products to lose weight like this, and you can just click generate and it will generate content for you, and I will just keep this one. So it's done by AI. It's very easy, right? Okay, let's uh make a title: best products to lose weight. Cool. And then you can add image here, you can also add text here, you can also choose the theme template, but I will choose a default blog post. And then you can change your visibility, visible, and you can also set the visibility, you can schedule it, it's up to you. And also this is the search engine listing, so if your customer found your blog on your search engine, it will be like this. And then you can just click save here, and then you can click view here to view your blog post. And see, this is good, right? And if you want to add your blog like this on your navigation, I will show you how. First you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your online store and go to your theme, and then you can click customize here. So this is my home page, and if you want to add your blog page here, you can click header here, and then as you can see there is menu here, you can click it, and then you can click edit, add, and then in this page you can click add menu item here, and you can create the label. I will just type blog, and then for the link you can choose blogs here, and then you can choose news, and then you can click save. Now let's see. I will refresh it. Now my blog page is in navigation menu. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.